Hello everyone, my name is Piyush Seni. I am here to give a Java presentation. My topic is map. To discuss the map, first we have to discuss the collection framework. First we have a iterable, which is an interface, which is extended by the collection, which is also interface. Then we have a four parts: list, queue, set, map. We have to focus on the map. What is map? Map is an object in which the key is mapped to the value, and the feature of the map is that every key is a unique. Let's take an example. For example, you have to store the data of the student, in which the serial number can be a key and the name of the student can be value. The serial number cannot be repeated, that in the sequence 1, 2, 3, but the name of the student can be repeated, that can be Prakhar Rai. Then we have a hash map, which is a implemented class of the map, hash table, which is also implemented class, and the linked hash map. Then we have a sorted map, which is an interface which is extended by the map. Then we have a tree map, which is implemented by the sorted map. Then we have to discuss what is hash map. Hash map is a type of map in which the value is not in a sorted order, but there can be a fast access provided by this map. Then we have a hash table in which synchronization and thread safety is there. That means though two users cannot be accessed the same data at the same time. Then we have a linked hash map in which the insertion order is maintained. Then we have a tree map in which the data is in the sorted form. And this is all. Thank you.